Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn the steps to quickly and easily move to TallyPrime Release 2.0 from earlier releases. If you are using an earlier release of TallyPrime, you can directly move to TallyPrime Release 2.0. TallyPrime offers an in-product upgrade option that allows you to move to any latest release seamlessly. In case of Tally.ERP 9, you can install TallyPrime 2.0 and start working. You need to have a valid TSS subscription to move to TallyPrime Release 2.0 from earlier releases. Before you start the process, ensure that the internet connection is working and only one instance of TallyPrime is running. In TallyPrime, click F1 Help or press F1. If you are using an earlier release of TallyPrime, a red dot is shown next to F1 Help menu. This indicates that a newer release is available for upgrade. You can follow the red dot to upgrade. Select the option Upgrade and press Enter. You will get the product update screen. The header section will give you the details of the current TallyPrime version in use. Also, the details of TSS validity period. The subsequent section provides the list of all releases later than the current version in use in your system. Navigate to Release 2.0. In case you don't find Release 2.0 in the list, click F12, Configure, or press F12 and set the option Show All Releases to Yes. All the releases available for you to upgrade are shown in the product update screen. Select Release 2.0 and press Enter. The next pop-up shows three options. Click No More or press K to open release highlights, or click Download from website or press W to download the installer and install Release 2.0 in a separate folder. Or click Update or press U to download and update the new release in the same folder as the current installation. This will mean the current installation will be moved to Release 2.0. We want to move to Release 2.0 directly, so click Update or press U. A message is displayed, click Yes or press Y. TallyPrime downloads and updates to Release 2.0 and the application will restart. Your data features and F12 settings will be carried forward. In case you are using Tally.ERP 9, you can download TallyPrime 2.0 from Tally Solutions website. Install it in a different folder and create a separate folder for TallyPrime data. After installation, copy Tally.ERP 9 data to the newly created data folder and open it in TallyPrime. The data from Tally.ERP 9 is flagged as migration required. Select the data and press Enter to migrate. Once you open a data in TallyPrime, it cannot be opened again in Tally.ERP 9. Hence, make a copy of the data before moving it to TallyPrime. Click Yes to confirm. The data is migrated and you can start working with the data. TallyPrime and Tally.ERP 9 users can move to TallyPrime Release 2.0 at any time in a matter of minutes. The only prerequisite is to have a valid TSS subscription. Move to TallyPrime Release 2.0 and get the benefits of the latest features. Thank you. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.